Okay, so here's our room. We are room 4220. So again, that is the third floor. 2 floors above the main floor. Closet. Plenty of room, plenty of hangers, plenty of shelves, massive safe. We've been here for a week, so we're kind of sprawled out, obviously. Shower, bathtub, no plug, so bring something to plug the tub with if you plan on having a bath. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, and hand soap. And suitcase bench with drawers. We've got 2, I hesitate to say queen size, likely more of a double size bed. If it was like a couple, I assume they would just smush the beds together and make it a giant king size. The controllers are sort of under the light. There's like switches there for the lights and the fans and whatnot. Coffee maker. Here. TV with loads of inputs on the back. And then in here we've got a fridge. Coke, Sprite, beer. Those are restocked daily. Our lady just left. Oops. Chair, another table. There are shears and there are blackouts in behind the shears. So getting it to be dark enough in here is not a problem. And there is a pop-out clothesline, clothes dryer, bar thing, 2 chairs. Like, there's a ton of space out on the balcony. You kind of see maybe through the palm fronds. There's the bridge we were on earlier. So we are right by the stage area. There's the blue walkway. We are basically as close as you can get to the lobby for a room. So that's the beginning of the blue walkway. So there we go.